Hello everyone. Okay, so Suhail, you can start.
All right. So welcome to the open hack meeting for this week. So let's start with a week summary for every individual here. So let's start with Aisha. Aisha.
Yes, Suhail.
So can you give us a summary about what you have done this week?
I haven't done much in OpenHack, but I'm working on an app in Xamarin Forms.
Uh-uh.
Okay, I'm working as an intern for Ashwin Chetan's startup, that
Oh, oh,
Epoch
oh.
Zero, that one.
Yeah.
So I'm working on an app right now.
Okay. So
And can you tell us something more about the app, or
Yeah,
or
yeah,
or your role? Just your role
yeah,
should be enough.
yeah. I'm just doing UI as of now. The design is already done by Abdullah Shahrat and Rajat Etan. Okay, so I'm just a front end developer. So I'm using C Sharp and XAML. Actually, for UI, we just use XAML and a bit of C Sharp. Then the app is basically a Make My Trip and Amazon combined model. Okay, it has features of My Trip and some features of Amazon. Yeah, that's it.
okay, thank you, Aisha. So Abdul, can you next do it?
Yes. Okay. In the last week, I've been working on the same pull request and the writing a lint checker, whether there is a blank space below function.
Oh, oh, oh. The one on Opia, right? I guess he got disconnected. So, Vibin, can you do next?
Okay. Hello. I
Yeah.
hope I am clear.
Yep, yep.
Okay. Last week I didn't work much on my projects. I tried out the Arch Linux distribution and was tweaking it for the last 2 days. And
How is it?
I tried out the pure Arch. Means everything we have to do by
Yeah,
ourselves.
yeah, yeah.
And I installed OpenBox, which is not very much friendly for a beginner.
Uh,
And I think because of that, I faced so many problems. Uh, and today I reverted back to Ubuntu again. I didn't
oh,
deleted the Arch partition. It's there, but I think I do my works on Ubuntu and learn Arch in between.
so you got to learn.
Especially I couldn't open not all functionality which is in the database
Uh,
on generally no.
Vibin, I guess you are facing some kind of network issue right now.
Uh,
Can anyone else hear Vibin clearly, or is it just me?
Nope, there are some issues. So, Atul, can you continue?
Yeah.
You were talking about
Okay.
your PR.
Yep.
I think my connection got lost. Uh, uh, I was working on the Pylint extension, which I've been writing for the OPIA organization. And I had made some more changes, and I have been unable to push those because the extension I had wrote just before isn't allowing me to push those changes to the repo. So I'm facing that issue now, and also I've been learning Mean stack development, Angular.
Okay, all right.
That's all.
So can you explain a bit about mean stack?
Mean stack means just we are using MongoDB for the database, Express for the server side, and Angular and Node.
All right. Okay.
That's all.
So is there anything else that you can or you want to share here that you've done
Nothing
in the
much.
past week? Oh, okay.
This is all.
Thank you, Adul. So
Atul, how is the community? Did you join the new chat room or there?
Yeah, I joined the Git room and it's not that active. The people are coming and putting introduction messages, but the other conversations are not that much.
Okay,
oh,
and Opia, is it using the whole mean stack? I mean, Mongo, Angular, Node, and Express, all of them.
No, uh, they are using Angular and Python. That's all I know about. I've been learning Angular. Yeah, I was making a login app following a tutorial. That's all.
oh, so the mean stack was not supposed to be for Opia.
Yeah, that was separate.
Okay.
OPI uses Angular, so I thought it would be it also.
Okay. Okay.
That's all.
Thank you, Adul. So next, Aryan, can you share something you have done in the past week? Seems like he too is facing some kind of network issues. So, Anand, can you share something?
Yep. So, wait, Aryan is saying something. Okay, he has net issues. So, uh, I've been working on the same PR. I began in May,
Uh,
and my work is actually already complete, but my PR is not complete because I took up extra work outside of my project scope. So it would take a few more weeks. And me and Abhijit are going to have our first video call with our mentors next Friday. So we
oh,
haven't met them yet. So next
oh,
Friday.
oh, good luck. So, during GSOC, there won't be much of a stand-ups or anything like that. Video conferencing.
No, I think only Libertium and a few more projects because my mentors are busy with not just Libertium, they have their own thing going on. So they
Oh,
weren't much interested in stand-ups. But I think in organizations like I'm not sure Opia and TensorFlow and other major organizations, they definitely would have weekly meetings at least.
oh. Okay. So, thank you, Anand. So, Aryan, can you share something?
Okay, is my audio clear?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so this week till about Thursday, I was mainly working on the competition. My timetable was all messed up because of that competition, so I haven't done anything related to programming this week,
Which
except
competition?
it was a game jam.
Sorry?
Wi- Game jam. They give you a
Game.
theme and game jam.
Okay, okay.
They give you a theme and you have
Mm-hmm.
to make a game from it. I mean, related to that thing. So,
So they gave you a theme or a proper game?
no, a theme.
A theme. Okay, okay.
So which theme and what did you make?
Um, the theme was catapult, and I did get a good idea of launching some blocks and using those launching some blocks to build a house, basically like a simulator. And I really
Oh,
couldn't end it with the deadline, so I thought I did cancel the project. I mean, I wasn't interested in working it at the last hour.
oh. So you dropped it?
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
And then from yesterday I started working on the rest of the PRs on circuit boards.
Uh-huh. What's the PR about? Is it the same
Uh,
thing last like the last time? Web extension.
yep.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Um,
So that's it.
is there anything else that you want to share?
Not specifically.
Okay.
And when are you going to complete rest of your life tree work with Alvin Joseph?
Right after circuit boards.
Okay, good.
Okay. So thank you, Irene. So there's a
And
fellow Jitster
well,
here. Who was that?
can you introduce yourself, fellow
Jitster.
Jits?
Yeah. Uh, he's not there. Hello, fellow Jitster. Are you there? Seems
Okay,
like
Suhail, you
okay.
can tell us
Yeah.
about yourself.
So I've been busy for a few weeks for my supply exam, so I haven't been doing much of programming. So a couple of days back, I've been trying to learn TypeScript. So that's pretty much it for what I've been doing. Like I started um, the day before yesterday. I read through the documentation and then I did some. Uh, I just tried today, so that was it. So that's pretty much for what I have been doing. So is there anything else that any one of you can share? Anything interesting that you found? Anyone?
And did you
Uh,
all go through the latest GSOC changes?
yeah, that time change from like 50 something to they. I think they half the time, right?
Yep, and the number of evaluations too, from 3 to 2,
Oh, oh,
and the stipend would be reduced.
uh,
Okay, I
that's a
think we can stop. Hello.
yeah,
Can the fellow Jitster
yeah.
introduce himself or herself?
Are you
I think
there?
fellow Jitster lost his connection, his or her connection.
Do you know who
Alright.
that is?
No, I don't know. I don't have an idea. Who's that?
Uh, so then let's wind up, right?
Yep.
Yep. So thank you all for attending today, for the for attending the meeting today. So then bye. See you all next week.
Okay, bye, Sohail. Bye, everyone.